Studying in U.S. Universities, a comprehensive guide for B1 English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series, where today we'll dive into the fascinating world of higher education in the United States. Whether you're planning to study abroad or just curious about American educational culture, this video will provide you with all the essentials you need to know. From understanding basic terminology to navigating through tuition fees and campus life, get ready to enhance your English skills as we explore the diverse educational landscape of the U.S. Understanding the terminology, college versus university. In the U.S., the terms college and university are often used interchangeably, but generally both refer to institutions that grant higher education degrees. While this might be straightforward for American students, international students might find this confusing as the distinction can be more pronounced in other countries. Here, we'll clarify these terms and discuss why they are used so fluidly in the American education system. Tuition fees, the cost of education studying in the U.S., can be expensive, and understanding the financial aspect is crucial. We will break down the differences between in-state and out-of-state tuition fees. In-state tuition. TUN. If you attend a university in the state where you reside, the tuition fee is considerably lower. On average, this might be around $25,000 per year. Out-of-state tuition. For students attending a university outside their home state, the fees can average about $41,000 annually. We'll explore why these differences exist and how they affect your decision to choose a university. Choosing a major. Freedom to explore. Unlike some educational systems where students must choose their field of study immediately, U.S. universities often allow students up to 2 years to declare a major. We'll discuss the general education requirements that all students must fulfill and how this flexibility can help students find their true academic interests. Campus life. Living at university. Living on campus is a hallmark of the U.S. university experience. We'll take a closer look at dorm life, including the pros and cons of living in close quarters with fellow students. From social activities to the challenges of sharing a small space, learn about the dynamics of dorm living. Additional aspects of U.S. universities. Student loans. Many students rely on loans to finance their education. We'll discuss how student loans work, the responsibility of repaying them, and the impact they have on students after graduation. Cultural diversity. U.S. universities are known for their cultural diversity, providing students with a unique opportunity to meet peers from various backgrounds and cultures. Academic opportunities. From research projects to internships, learn about the opportunities U.S. universities offer that can enhance your academic and professional career. Explore U.S. universities and enhance your English. Choose wisely, ask questions, and engage with us. Like and subscribe.